Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to stop apps from tracking you on Android. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First step, you have to look for your Google Play Store. Open your Google Play Store. And then here, you have to tap on your profile at the top right corner. Scroll down and look for help and feedback. Here, you have to go to the search bar or search icon, and then you have to look for delete apps. Now tap on delete apps, and it will take you to another page where you can see here an article. And all you have to do here is you have to click this delete apps or the first section or article that you can see. Scroll down here and then tap to go to application settings. Click this one. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to look for this specific feature on Android. So you have to look for this Android System Intelligence. You have to type it right here, but my phone doesn't have it, or I can see it here on my settings. Now, why we should look for this Android System Intelligence if you have this, if you can see it on your application. Android System Intelligence can track certain types of data about how you use your phone, including what it tracks. So, for example, what apps you use and when, how you interact with notifications, how you type or select text for smart replies or predictive text, your habits, like opening apps at certain times. The purpose of this is to give app suggestions, smart text selection, automatic captions, and smart replies in messages. However, it is not good because it will slowly track your privacy. If you want to turn off or if you want to have better privacy, improve security, and fewer annoying notifications, you need to turn this one off. So for example, I'm going to show you how to turn off or how to stop apps from tracking you on Android. Let's just say this Android Auto is the Android intelligence system. What you're going to do is you have to tap this one. If you scroll down and go to permissions, you can see that this application has allowed call logs, contacts, location, and so on. So what you're going to do is you have to go back, go to storage usage, and then you have to tap on clear cache and also tap on clear data. Now, once you're done with this, then what you're going to do is you have to go back again. And then this time you have to make sure that you have disabled this application or you can tap on force stop. So that's how you basically stop this Android intelligent system and also stop apps from tracking you on Android. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.